Guys, we're here today with a 2021 Ram 1500. Customer complaint of a no crank, no start. Come to find out he needed a new battery. So we're at CarQuest here on 4th and Girard. Anybody that's in this area need parts, it's a good place to come to, good prices. About to get this new battery in here. We're gonna get the truck started and everything. Get right back with y'all. Now we're about to get the truck started. Give me a few seconds. Y'all see that fresh battery in there? Well, we all good to go. Another satisfied customer. 2021 Ram 1500. Get at y'all on the next one.